So yes, we did find retaining walls and concrete online, um, and we had an old rotten wooden retaining wall. And I actually went to about 7 different retaining wall contractors. Um, Rather than just put together an estimate in 10 minutes to try and get my business, he made an effort to make sure he understood what our project was and to give me a realistic cost up front. Um, and then the other reason why I chose retaining walls and concrete is um, I was impressed with the fact that he was going to be here every day, overseeing the work. And any day, if I had any concerns whatsoever, I could come out and I could talk to him, and he would explain things right away. He has a great crew. They did a wonderful job. They were very polite. They were very helpful. Whenever they needed my opinion, they weren't afraid to ask for it. And it really turned out fantastic. I would certainly recommend retaining walls and concrete to anyone, and in a couple of years I'll probably have them do my driveway.